wanted to take a minute to explain how to do this problem. Usually if we were in school, we would do this with a warm-up. But since we are not in school, I figured I would make a quick video just to kind of show you how to do this problem, since it is on a couple of your reviews and it could possibly show up on a quiz. To write a system of equations with a specific solution, you get to choose how you write this equation. You can be very simple. X plus y plus z equals, and then that's as far as I'm going to go right now. I'm going to write my three equations. Remember, we have an A, a B, and a C equation, because when we're solving systems in three variables, we have to have three equations. So that might be one of them. Maybe you want to do 2x plus y minus z as another one. Now I'm going to show you one that wouldn't work. If I have x plus y plus z, I cannot have 2x plus 2y plus 2z because A is just twice of C. That wouldn't work. So I cannot have that as an option. So instead, when I am writing this, I always make sure to just change one or two of the variables, maybe leave one of them the same. But just don't change them all the exact same way. Maybe you want x minus y plus z to be an equation. So you get to make up the left side. You get to make up the something x plus something y plus something z equals. Now, the part that is determined that show us this is a solution, we do not get to choose what the right side of the equation gets to be. What we'll have to do is we'll have to actually plug in our solution to figure out what it's supposed to equal. So in this case, we would have negative 2 plus our y value is 7 plus our z value is 5. That equals 10. And so I know that that side of the equation has to be 10. All right, we have to do this again, but with the b equation. So 2 times negative 2 plus our y is 7 minus z is 5 equals, we have to figure this out. So it's negative 4 plus 7 minus 5. This is going to be 3 minus 5, which is negative 2. So this side has to be negative 2. Now you could use a calculator. I'm doing this by hand because I don't have a calculator handy right now. I could go get one and do this very easily, but you do not need a calculator is what I'm showing you. All right, so for the last one, we have x is negative 2 minus the y value is 7 plus our z value is 5. So negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9 plus 5. That will be negative 4. So here is my system of equations that has the solution negative 2, 7, 5. And this is actually how I write systems on your quizzes. I choose what I want the answer to be, and then from there, I write the system. So if you have questions on the reviews, let me know. You can join office hours, and I will be glad to help.